everyone, welcome to iExamB and embrace the iExamB learning experience. You can subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon so that you can stay tuned and stay updated. And in case if you have any questions, any queries or any doubt which you need to clarify with respect to any of the competitive law exams, you can connect us through the email ID or the phone number which is displayed on the screen, and we are there to help you out with your exam preparation and to clarify your doubts. Now today in this particular video, I'll be going ahead and discussing about the UIIC AO legal examination which was held few days back. And so in this particular video, I'll be going ahead with the exam analysis which is actually based on the feedback which the students have shared with us, and also will be going ahead and having a look at the expected cutoff. Okay, so what could be the cutoff range? We'll be having an idea with respect to that also in this particular video. Before we move ahead with our discussion with respect to the exam analysis, let me tell you that we at iExamB, we are coming up with a free workshop that is going to be held on 28th of December at 6 p.m. And this particular workshop is actually with respect to the opportunities which the law students have with respect to the upcoming government exams in 2025 and how actually you can go ahead and prepare for those exams. So if you want to clear all your doubts with respect to the opportunities which you have in the government jobs after your law and how you can go ahead with its preparation, then you can get all those doubts cleared in this particular workshop, and so you can register for this workshop and avail this opportunity of making yourself aware of all the upcoming government exams for the legal students in the 2025. So do remember to register for the workshop and get yourself aware. Now, as I was discussing about the UIIC exam, so we know that the law section had 60 questions. Okay, and what was the exam level? Not only of the legal section or the law related questions, but overall also we'll be discussing, we will be having a look at. Okay, so paper was easy to moderate. So basically based on the students' feedback, our analysis, the paper we can consider as easy to moderate. In this particular aspect, you can see that paper was consisting of 6 sections. One was reasoning, then English, Quant, GA, computer, and then our legal domain or professional domain knowledge questions. So if we talk about the difficulty level, again, this is based on our analysis which was basically based on the students' feedback. So reasoning की अगर हम बात करें तो questions were easy to moderate. So say if you have attempted around 16 to 20 questions over here, then it is a good attempt. For the English, again it was easy to moderate, so around 25 to 30 questions if you have attempted. Quant and GA were moderate to difficult. So in these around, say for the Quant 14 to 18 attempts, and for the GA, it will be around 12 to 15 questions, you can say, could be considered a good attempt. Talking about the computer knowledge, over here 16 to 22 questions would be a good attempt. And for the professional knowledge, that is legal domain, 45 to 50 questions ke around will be a good attempt. Okay, so these are the difficulty levels you can see with respect to each of these sections and what would be a safe attempt. Now, अगर हम legal section की बात करें तो वहाँ पे section number based questions भी थे, time period based questions थे, duration based, you can say those questions were also asked. Some questions were very direct, which were say definition based questions and all, and the entire paper was as per the syllabus which they had prescribed. So जो हमारा new syllabus भी later on revise करके आया था where new criminal laws were added. So everything was as per the syllabus they had provided. So based on all these discussions, analysis, student feedback, what we can actually think of is around 130 to 140 marks would be the cutoff range. Okay, with respect to the exam. So this is the cutoff range you can see. Further, the exam questions with respect to the legal domain, the topics which were asked, you can see, I'll share that with you over here, and you can find this particular PDF in the description of this particular video. So आप देख सकते हो, constitution was in the syllabus, insurance laws were in the syllabus, so everything has been asked from the syllabus. So constitution say around 6 questions were there, article 21A, 13, definition of state was asked. Article 355, then with respect to untouchability, all these were asked. Then insurance, say insurance agent पर definitions of देख सकते हो, definition based questions were asked. Okay, then approved securities का definition, then time duration जो मैं mention कर रही थी उससे related questions were there. Then arbitration से again there were questions. Legal Services Authority Act से भी questions थे. Central authority से related, public utility services and also related. Then consumer protection से भी number of days, time period से related questions थे. Then the new criminal laws which was made a part of the syllabus later on after revising the syllabus. तो भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम से भी questions आए थे, around 5-6 questions आए थे, and भारतीय न्याय संहिता से भी. CPC से there were questions, contract से there were questions from proposal, the definition, then indemnity, reciprocal promises. MV Act से, Motor Vehicle Act से आया था golden hour, which was again a very important concept in the MV Act. And then we had questions from tort. So around out of 60 questions, we have been able to get around 53 questions. So the students have actually being able to share these many questions. So in case if you can recall any other question which was there in the exam, you can mention those in the comment box of this particular video. With this, we come to an end of our today's discussion. Do remember to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon so that you can stay tuned and stay updated and make your preparations 50% faster with us at iExamB.